Hello and welcome to Lakshya tutorial, and my name is Avishek Gupta. Now today we are going to discuss about the geography syllabus of class 9 ICSE, and this is for the reduced syllabus in the year 2021. And for that we have called a very experienced teacher who is teaching geography for the past 32 years, and her name is Sudipta Gupta. So let's welcome Sudipta Gupta ma'am.
Hello, Avishek. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to discuss ICSE Geography Syllabus for Class 9. In this adverse situation, ICSE Council has reduced the syllabus for all the subjects, and today I shall be discussing about reduction in geography for Class 9 question paper consists of 80 marks. 20 marks is project, you all know. So this 80 marks question paper, part 1 consists of 30 marks. This is the compulsory section. Here you have to answer 10 questions, each of 2 marks, which is covering the entire syllabus. And here question number 2 is on world map.
Okay.
That is containing 10 marks. Then part 2, in part 2 you have to answer 5 questions out of 9 questions given. So here in unit 1, that is our world, here chapter 1, Earth as a planet has been omitted. Then the second chapter under this, in our world, geographic grid. Here, using latitude and longitude to find location, this subtopic. Then calculation of time. Then great circles and their uses. These are the subtopics which are excluded. Then structure of the earth, there is no change. Then the next chapter, landforms of the earth. This chapter is also totally excluded. So here actually structure of the earth is the second unit. Under that, earth structure, there is no change. And landform of the earth, that is excluded. Rocks, next chapter, here rock cycle is excluded and the rest is there. Volcanoes and earthquake, in these 2 chapters, there is no change. Then weathering and denudation. Here weathering is here, included everything in weathering, but denudation portion is excluded. Work of river and work of wind, both are excluded. Next topic or next unit is hydrosphere. Here, only circulation of ocean current is excluded. Impact of ocean current is there, tides are there, but circulation of ocean current is excluded. Next unit is atmosphere. Here most of the chapters, there is no change, but in the chapter humidity, the difference between relative humidity and absolute humidity is excluded. Forms of condensation also excluded. Next unit is pollution, there is no change. Then next unit, natural regions. Here 9 regions previously were there. Now out of 9 you will have to answer only, study only 3 regions. That is the equatorial region, tropical desert and tropical monsoon. These 3 regions you will be studying now, the rest are excluded. This is the change in the theory portion. Now in the map work, where you have to mark the natural regions on the world map, there only 3 regions out of 9 now you have to mark the regions which you will be studying. That is the equatorial region, tropical desert and tropical monsoon. These are the regions you will be marking on the world map. And the rest in the world map, there is no change. This is the only change which council has prescribed for you.
Thank you, ma'am, for explaining this entire changes to all those students who are watching this video. I hope they have already noted this and it is very helpful for them also. Thank you, ma'am, once again for discussing in detail all the syllabus. But ma'am, one question that I want to ask is it really 25% of the syllabus that the ICC Council has declared or announced? What you want to say about this?
Actually, class 9 syllabus, it is huge syllabus. Out of
Oh,
that, some portions have been reduced. If not 25%, around 20% it has been reduced.
okay, ma'am. And ma'am, I don't think that there will be any impact of this syllabus because in class 9 and class 10, the syllabus are bifurcated. What you want to say about that, ma'am?
Actually, class 9 syllabus is based on physical geography, and
Okay.
class 10 syllabus is they study India in detail. In addition, they have topographical map. So only one thing that in denudation they have omitted work of river, and in topographical maps they have to sometimes interpret the characteristics of the river. So if they would have studied that work of river, it would have been little easier for them to describe the characteristics of the river.
Okay, ma'am. And what you want to say about the marking scheme, ma'am? What would be the
No change in
changes?
the no change in the marking scheme, no change in the question pattern.
Okay. And the marks distribution of the chapter will also be somewhat
Yes,
similar.
yes, yes, same,
Same.
same.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, for explaining these things to the students. I will be calling you up in the near future for discussing how to prepare at the last moment for final examination for class 9 as well as for class 10, ma'am. So I hope that it will be there, ma'am, for all the
I,
students.
yes, it will be my pleasure. But one thing at the last moment, don't the children or the students, they should prepare their lesson every day because it's a huge syllabus. If they keep it for last moment, it will be very, very difficult for them.
Yes, ma'am, that is for sure. Like preparing anything in the last moment is not at all good. Otherwise, the problem is that uh, they will be in a hurry and they might miss few important things that might be present in the paper. So preparing in the last
Yes.
moment, as you have said, is not good. But
Yes.
there are few tips and tricks that generally
Ha,
come from the teacher side to the students.
ha. Obviously, that is there. That I'm ready to help them.
Thank you, ma'am, for your kind gesture.
Ha,
So,
Thank you so much.
so students, I hope you have noted down this very well. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, goodbye.